Today I'm designing a book cover called Echoes of Motion. For this one, I'm using only typography. I'll start by bringing the text into the frame, setting the font, and aligning it vertically. I want to give the letters in motion a sense of motion, so I'll type them separately. I'll remove the O from echoes so I can reuse the O from motion for both words. Let's align the letters and set the gap between them to 0. I'll fill the text with white and the background frame with black. I need 2 O's here, so I'll duplicate it with Command D. I'll explain why in a second. Now let's go to Action, Plugins and Widgets and run the Looper Legacy plugin. There are different presets. I'm going to use Move Y. I'll set interactions to 15, Y position to -1, opacity from 100 to 0, check stroke fill, and set the stroke weight to start at 0.5 and end at 0.1. Then I'll select M and hit Create. I want every other letter to move in the opposite direction, so I'll change the Y value to 1 for the next one. I duplicated the O so I can move one up and the other down. Let's double the interaction to 30 and move the top one upward. Then grab the second O, set its Y position to 1 and move it downward. Next, I'll bring the echoes layer to the top. I'll change its fill to a gradient, add more stops, set them all to white and lower the opacity of the first and last stops for a soft fade. Finally, I'll place the rest of the text in the frame and that's it. Day 3 of my challenge is complete. Thanks for joining me. See you in the next one.